Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Dasher must be active to schedule dashes on DoorDash. So let's get started. First, open your phone settings. Use the search bar to find offload or offload unused apps. Locate the Dasher app and select offload app. Once offloaded, tap Reinstall app. If needed, open the App Store, search for Dasher, and if an update option appears, tap it to ensure the app is up to date. And that's it. After reinstalling or updating, you should be able to schedule your dashes again. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.